Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on your, whether it's iPad or iPhone. It really works the same on iOS 14. One of the great things about dark mode is that it saves up a lot of power on battery if you're on specific screens. So not only does it look good, it's healthy for your eyes, it helps with your reading capacity and your visual capacity, I would say. It also brings in a bit of a power saving to your device, and it actually looks quite nice, especially since you'll see in a minute the device actually changes based on your dark mode. The wallpaper and everything changes. So the way to activate dark mode is actually very simple. There are ways to activate it on the settings, but a very straightforward way to activate it is you just from right up here, from this corner, you just pull the drawer down, and then you go on brightness, right? You go on brightness, you hold it, and as you can see, you get this dark mode option. Do you see this dark mode option? So you want to click on that or tap it, and as you can see, now you have dark mode. It actually looks really nice. The default Apple wallpapers are customized, so everything changes. Also, the majority of the apps on iOS will automatically switch to dark mode if they have one enabled. So for example, YouTube, as you can see, my YouTube dark mode is enabled. So what do you do if you want to switch it back on again? Again, what you do is right up here, you pull it down again, hold it, hold this, and then you deactivate dark mode. Back to the screen, and as you can see, everything is normal again. And that's how you activate dark mode on iOS. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please make sure to click thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check out similar videos like this if you're interested, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I will see you later. Bye bye.